Hola amigos y bienvenidos a Spanish.Education. Yo soy Susana Lescano, aka Teacher Susie, and I am your online Spanish teacher. I am the owner of the biggest online Spanish academy for kids. It's called Spanish the Fun Way. It's on OutSchool. You probably know OutSchool if you have kids, but if you don't, you can have free classes with the code in the description with, of course, native Spanish speakers and certified teachers. Now, my goal with this channel, Spanish.Education, is to teach Spanish not just to my lovely children, but to mamas and papas. Now, in this class, I will teach you very important and useful sentences to use every day in the morning, for your morning routine. They are not just your common buenos días or ¿qué hay de desayuno? But they are very positive sentences because, guys, the language shapes our reality. The words we use every day shape the way we look at things, we look at the world. So I want to teach you, not just useful, but positive and nice things to say. Today we have the help of one of our students. She's sharing with us these sentences, and if her pronunciation is not correct, I will fix her. But I listened to you guys in the previous videos and you told me that I had to repeat the sentences more times. So my lovely student Annabelle is repeating the Spanish sentences more times this time. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, if you want to keep learning español todos los días, every day, and follow Spanish.Education on all social media. Vamos allá.
Hola!
Vamos a empezar. Let's start. Oh, and before we start, I wanted to ask you if you can hear me correctly. Hey, what is that like thingy? So the thing is that I have a very good microphone, it's right here, but I also got a new camera because you guys asked me for a better quality. So I have the camera now, but I can't seem to connect both things at the same time. So please let me know if the quality is muy bien or just bien or mal. I hope it's not mal. Okay, vamos a empezar. Let's start with very useful morning routine phrases.
Spanish phonetics. Are you ready to embark on a fun-filled journey of mastering Spanish? I'm so excited to have you here. If you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe to Spanish.Education, like this video, and follow us on social media to catch our daily Spanish lessons. And we always love to hear what you want to learn next. So please comment your ideas below. Let's dive into our Spanish morning routine. First things first, waking up. Buenos días, mundo. Good morning, world. Buenos días, mundo. Buenos días, mundo. Now, let's start our morning with some positive affirmations. Hoy será un gran día. Today will be a great day. Hoy será un gran día. Hoy será un gran día.
Hoy será un gran día. Today will be a great day. Gran means big. Most of the time we can say es un gran escenario. For example, it's a big stage. But gran día is not like a big day, of course, but a great day. It can be great, it can be very big. Hoy será un gran día. We say that every day, and it almost always is.
Time to get up and get moving. Voy a hacer estiramientos. I'm going to do some stretching. Voy a hacer estiramientos. Voy a hacer estiramientos.
Voy a hacer, I'm going to do, and you can say anything after that. Voy a hacer el desayuno. I'll prepare breakfast. Voy a hacer la cena. I'll prepare dinner. In this case, voy a hacer estiramientos. Voy a hacer estiramientos. Oh, that's really good for you.
As you stretch, think about your plans. Hoy tengo muchas cosas por hacer. Today, I have a lot to do. Hoy tengo muchas cosas por hacer. Hoy tengo muchas cosas por hacer.
Again, we have hacer, to do. Hacer. Hoy tengo muchas cosas por hacer.
Getting ready for a morning workout. Voy a correr en el parque. I'm going to run in the park. Voy a correr en el parque. Voy a correr en el parque.
Again, voy a correr en el parque. Just like we said, voy a preparar el desayuno. Voy a correr en el parque.
After your run, it's time to freshen up. Voy a ducharme. I'm going to take a shower. Voy a ducharme. Voy a ducharme.
These sentences are really easy, and what I love is that if you see, we use the same words. Again, we use voy a all the time, I'm going to. We use hacer all the time, to do. Voy a ducharme. I'm going to take a shower. I know you will ask me, how about voy a bañarme? Or voy a tomar un baño. Okay, so that's also correct. That's I'm going to take a bath. All right, it's different to take a shower and to take a bath, of course, you know that. Kids often get very confused with those two, but you can say both. Voy a ducharme, voy a bañarme. And by the way, guys, just a little break to remind you that if you want to learn more things like this and basically all the Spanish you need, you can get Spanish the Fun Way. It's on Amazon. You can get it following this QR right here. It's an awesome book. This is the what's it called? Hardcover edition. Anyways, it has illustrations. You can open a random page and learn so many important phrases, or you can, follow it as a full guide. It's a great book. I recommend you get it. It's on Amazon. Oh, and wait, it's by the best teacher on earth, Teacher Susie. She's so awesome, guys. Okay, never mind. Let's continue. Sorry about that, guys.
Choosing your outfit for the day. ¿Qué ropa me pongo hoy? What clothes should I wear today? ¿Qué ropa me pongo hoy? ¿Qué ropa me pongo hoy?
¿Qué ropa me pongo hoy? ¿Qué ropa me pongo hoy? By the way, I know you asked me about the 2 question marks all the time, and yes, it's important in Spanish you use them because it's not like English that when we say what is almost always a question. In Spanish, it can be an exclamation, for example, so we really need that question mark at the beginning of the sentence to know how to pronounce the rest of it, what tone give to the sentence, right? So, ¿qué ropa me pongo? I'll confess though, when we are, chatting on Messenger or WhatsApp or messages, we don't always use the first question mark, of course, but try to use it as much as possible.
While dressing, you think of your to-do list. Debo hacer la compra hoy. I need to do the grocery shopping today. Debo hacer la compra hoy. Debo hacer la compra hoy.
Debo hacer la compra hoy. There is hacer again. Debo, I should. Hacer la compra, do the shopping. And there is hoy, again, today.
Heading to the
Debo hacer la compra hoy.
kitchen for breakfast. Voy a preparar huevos con tostadas. I'm going to make eggs with toast. Voy a preparar huevos con tostadas. Voy a preparar huevos con tostadas.
Voy a preparar huevos con tostadas. ¡Qué rico! Huevos, eggs, con tostadas, with toast. Voy a preparar huevos con tostadas. Repeat after me, and if you need, watch this video as many times as needed.
During breakfast, you ponder your afternoon schedule. Esta tarde tengo una cita con el dentista. This afternoon, I have a dentist appointment. Esta tarde tengo una cita con el dentista. Esta tarde tengo una cita con el dentista.
Esta tarde tengo una cita con el dentista. Esta tarde tengo una cita con el dentista.
Time to leave for work or school. Voy a salir en 10 minutos. I'm going to leave in 10 minutes.
Voy a salir en 10 minutos.
There is a scary voice.
Voy a salir en 10 minutos.
Voy a salir en 10 minutos. That's a mistake, Annabelle. Voy a salir en 10 minutos. I'm leaving in 10. Voy a salir en 10 minutos.
Before leaving, you check you have everything. ¿Tengo mi billetera, llaves y teléfono? Do I have my wallet, keys, and phone? ¿Tengo mi billetera, llaves y teléfono? ¿Tengo mi billetera, llaves y teléfono?
Tengo mi billetera, llaves y teléfono.
On your way out, you remember, debo comprar sellos después del trabajo. I need to buy stamps after work. Debo comprar sellos después del trabajo. Debo comprar sellos después del trabajo.
Annabelle, who gets stamps nowadays? Let me know if you do get stamps. They're cute though. Debo comprar sellos después del trabajo. Debo comprar sellos después del trabajo. Things you often find difficult and mispronounce here is the two L's in sellos and also trabajo, guys. I'm sorry, the J in Spanish sounds like an H in English. Ho, like I always tell my little kids, my students, to think in Santa. So, ho, trabajo.
While commuting, you plan your evening. Esta noche cocinaré pasta para la cena. Tonight, I'll cook pasta for dinner. Esta noche cocinaré pasta para la cena. Esta noche cocinaré pasta para la cena.
So before we were talking about esta tarde, this afternoon. Now we are talking about tonight. Esta noche. Esta noche cocinaré pasta para la cena. I'll prepare pasta for dinner tonight. Esta noche cocinaré pasta para la cena.
And finally, as you start your day, voy a aprender algo nuevo hoy. I'm going to learn something new today. Voy a aprender algo nuevo hoy. Voy a aprender algo nuevo hoy.
Voy a aprender algo nuevo hoy. That was you guys before entering this video. I was looking at Lolita, my dog. She's here. Hola, Lolita.
¿Dónde dejé mis gafas?
Where did I leave my glasses?
¿Dónde dejé mis gafas? ¿Dónde dejé mis gafas?
¿Dónde dejé mis gafas? ¿Dónde dejé mis gafas?
¿Dónde dejé mis gafas? ¿Dónde dejé mis gafas? Voy a preparar café y tostadas. I'm going to prepare coffee and toast. Voy a preparar café y tostadas. Voy a preparar café y tostadas.
Voy a preparar café y tostadas.
Time for a quick reminder. If you're loving these phrases, show us some love by hitting that like button. It helps us reach more Spanish enthusiasts like you.
Gracias, Annabelle.
Debo recordar enviar ese correo electrónico. I must remember to send that email. Debo recordar enviar ese correo electrónico. Debo recordar enviar ese correo electrónico.
Debo recordar. I must remember. Debo recordar enviar. To send. You know how in Spanish, in English we have to in front of the words to make them a verb, right? To send, to love, blah, blah. In Spanish it's very different. In Spanish the verbs are the words that end in AR, ER, or IR. Okay? So for example, enviar, to send. Comer, to eat. Desayunar, to have breakfast. Dormir, to sleep, right? You know that's a verb when you see words ending in this. Debo recordar, we have two verbs here. Recordar enviar ese correo electrónico.
¿Qué día es hoy? What day is it today? ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es hoy?
¿Qué día es hoy? Hoy es 6 de febrero de 2024.
Hoy tengo una videoconferencia importante. Today, I have an important video conference. Hoy tengo una videoconferencia importante.
Hoy tengo una videoconferencia importante.
Hoy tengo una videoconferencia importante. Voy a llevar a los niños al colegio. I'm going to take the kids to school. Voy a llevar a los niños al colegio. Voy a llevar a los niños al colegio.
Voy a llevar a los niños al colegio. Colegio is not college, by the way. Colegio is school. College in Spanish is universidad.
Debería pasar por la biblioteca. I should stop by the library. Debería pasar por la biblioteca. Debería pasar por la biblioteca.
Debería pasar por la biblioteca. What's the verb here?
¿A qué hora es mi reunión? What time is my meeting? ¿A qué hora es mi reunión?
¿A qué hora es mi reunión? ¿A qué hora es mi reunión?
¿A qué hora es mi reunión? Voy a hacer una lista de compras. I'm going to make a shopping list. Voy a hacer una lista de compras.
Voy a hacer una lista de compras.
Voy a hacer una lista de compras. Esta noche quiero ver una película española. Tonight, I want to watch a Spanish movie. Esta noche quiero ver una película española.
They're really good, I recommend.
Esta noche quiero ver una película española.
Esta noche quiero ver una película española.
Voy a llamar a mi amigo para almorzar juntos. I'm going to call my friend to have lunch together. Voy a llamar a mi amigo para almorzar juntos. Voy a llamar a mi amigo para almorzar juntos. Me gustaría aprender a bailar salsa. I would like to learn to dance salsa.
Salsa. Me gusta.
Me gustaría aprender a bailar salsa.
Me gustaría aprender a bailar salsa.
Me gustaría aprender a bailar salsa. Voy a regar las plantas en el jardín. I'm going to water the plants in the garden. Voy a regar las plantas en el jardín.
Voy a regar las plantas en el jardín.
Voy a regar las plantas en el jardín. Esta tarde tengo una cita con el médico. This afternoon, I have a doctor's appointment. Esta tarde tengo una cita con el médico.
Esta tarde tengo una cita con el médico.
Esta tarde tengo una cita con el médico. ¿Podrías ayudarme con esta tarea? Could you help me with this task? ¿Podrías ayudarme con esta tarea? ¿Podrías ayudarme con esta tarea?
¿Podrías ayudarme con esta tarea?
Voy a preparar una ensalada para el almuerzo. I'm going to prepare a salad for lunch. Voy a preparar una ensalada para el almuerzo. Voy a preparar una ensalada para el almuerzo.
Voy a preparar una ensalada para el almuerzo.
Before we continue, a quick shout out to our subscribers. You're amazing. If you haven't joined our Facebook community yet, what are you waiting for?
Oh yes, it's called Spanish Phonetics.
Hoy es un buen día para empezar un nuevo libro. Today is a good day to start a new book. Hoy es un buen día para empezar un nuevo libro.
Hoy es un buen día para empezar un nuevo libro.
Hoy es un buen día para empezar un nuevo libro. Esta noche practicaré yoga antes de dormir. Tonight, I will practice yoga before going to sleep. Esta noche practicaré yoga antes de dormir.
Esta noche practicaré yoga antes de dormir. However, guys, if you want me to record a special edition with night routines and evening routines, let me know in the comments, okay?
Esta noche practicaré yoga antes de dormir. Spanish phonetics. Remember that every phrase you practice takes you one step closer to fluency.
Eso.
And for a deeper dive into the Spanish language, don't forget to check out our book, Spanish the Fun Way, on Amazon.
Aquí
It's an
está.
excellent resource. And with the accompanying audiobook, it's like having a Spanish teacher right in your home. And for the young learners, enroll them in our Spanish classes on OutSchool using the code Spanish20. Join a community of over 5,000 students learning Spanish in an engaging and interactive environment with our native Spanish certified teachers. Get ready for our next video. Learn Spanish evening routines and keep practicing until then. Hasta luego, Spanish Fanatics. Nos vemos muy pronto.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this class. Remember to check all the links in the description. Most importantly, let us know what classes you want us to record. Y nos vemos en el próximo video. ¡Mua! Adiós, gracias por ver este video. Hasta la próxima.